Hey everyone, this is Vladdy from the JPool team. Welcome to the series of tutorials in which I'm telling you about the revamped JPool liquid staking platform that offers a number of staking strategies for different needs and preferences. In this video, I will give you an overview and a step-by-step guide for our direct staking strategy, which comes in handy when you have a specific set of validators in mind that you want to stake to. It's most suitable for users who seek more granular control over their staking experience. In simple terms, if you don't want JPool to select validators to allocate your stake to, you can do it yourself. You can track the performance of validators that you trust and stake directly to them through JPool. Okay, let me walk you through it. On the landing page, select direct staking here. Connect your wallet. And in this field here, type in the name of the validator that you want to stake to. You can also use its vote account or identity account, or you can use the advanced search feature to find it using different filters. For this demo, let's select this validator here. As you know, there are hundreds of validators on the Solana network, and direct staking requires you to monitor the performance of the ones that you choose to stake to make sure that they do not go delinquent, that they keep earning rewards. And we have a great analytics section for this. Here you can see the leverage toggle. Leverage is something you can use to boost your yield. Coming back to where we left off, to stake directly to the chosen validator, enter the amount of SOL you want to stake to it. Below you will see how much JSOL you will receive from JPool. JSOL is JPool's liquid staking token that it can be used in DeFi protocols for extra yield. Please feel free to check out our DeFi section to explore these opportunities. Let's hit the stake SOL button. Confirm the transaction. Okay, transaction confirmed. After you have staked, you can scroll down a bit and see the list of validators that you have ever staked to. So here's the validator that I have just staked to. And it specifies two balances, my direct stake balance and the unstakeable balance. Well, the direct stake balance is self-explanatory, and the unstakeable balance is the amount that I can unstake right now, which means that a part of the JSOL tokens can be used in DeFi, as I've mentioned earlier, and when they are locked for this period, and I cannot unstake them. So this balance is the total balance of direct stake minus the locked JSOL tokens. So let's try and unstake right now. You can unstake instantly for a small fee, or you can unstake with delay, and the delay means that you will have to wait until the current epoch is over. So let's unstake instantly and pay a small fee to the Solana network. Once you've chosen a validator, you can stake directly to it with leverage. Simply put, leverage means borrowing SOL from our lending partner in order to increase your overall stake so you can earn more rewards. But leverage comes with a little bit of risk. Although the risk is really low, you'll still need to be aware of it and set the leverage multiplier according to your risk appetite. I'll dive into it a bit later. Let me show you how it works, and I will explain everything as we go. Let's toggle this leverage option, enter the amount of sol we want to stake. You can use JSOL if you want. And next we need to set the leverage multiplier. It basically means how much you want your stake to be multiplied, leveraged. If you set it to 0, you will get no leverage, no sol will be borrowed, and this amount will be deposited as collateral. But as you increase it, you can see the health factor going down and the APY here going up. Well, the higher LTV, the loan to value ratio, which means the value of the loan to the value of the collateral that you deposit, and the lower the health factor, well, the higher the reward, the APY that you get. So as I've already mentioned, the risk is minimal, so let's stake at the highest LTV. Well, basically the health factor is the only thing you need to watch for. When it's below 1, then you are at the risk of liquidation, but liquidation is a very rare thing here. It can only happen if the borrow APY, the interest rate in other terms, is higher than the APY that you're getting. Let's hit stake with leverage. Confirm the transaction. Okay, transaction confirmed. Let me explain a bit what has just happened under the hood. After we have staked sol, JPool minted JSOL, and these JSOL tokens were deposited as collateral to a lending platform or partner to borrow more sol and increase your stake. More stake means more rewards. If you want to be alerted when your health factor goes down to dangerous levels, you can set the alerts here. Specify the LTV threshold, and when your LTV hits it, our Telegram bot will send you the alert. In the details section here, you will find all the information about your leverage position, including health factor, which I already mentioned, the utilization rate of the lending pool, your asset balance, your APY for JPool, and the borrow APR, the interest rate in other words. Here you will have diagrams, total APY over time, and underlying APY. You can check this out to get more insight into how it develops over time. Here is the detailed breakdown of the borrow position and liquidation threshold. I'm gonna show you how to deleverage now. Deleveraging essentially means clearing your debt to the lending platform and taking back your collateral. Let's switch to the Deleverage window here. Enter the amount of JSOL we want to take out. You can see the collateral balance here. Let's take it all out. Okay, you need to keep in mind, and this is an important thing, that the amount you specify here is the multiplied amount, right? And the actual amount that you will receive back to your wallet is indicated here in this additional section. It's the demultiplied amount. Let's hit the button. Confirm the transaction. Okay, transaction confirmed. You can see that our collateral balance is down to 0. and we can see that these numbers have also changed, and now we can unstake JSOL if we want to. So all those JSOL that we have just taken out of the collateral balance have gone to this to the direct stake.